again, coming in for possible landing. I'm not sure, maybe doing another flyby maybe. We'll see. I'm going to keep an eye on this one, which is the lead helicopter. Just doing another flyby, that's what they're doing. I did kind of like that green one though. Where's that green one? There it is. Here we have the U.S. Coast Guard doing the drop basket. That's how they use to save their patients whenever at sea. Dropping the basket down all the way down to the runway actually. Basket coming back up. Sometimes we only see these on television, but here we go. Seeing it live. We have the Metro Hospital helicopters doing a flyby. There's another one over here. And we have the third one here. 3 of them doing a flyby, demonstrating their abilities in aircraft for emergencies. Now I've seen one of these in action down in Buffalo. Where a car in front of me actually flipped over and they had to land literally next to us. And having a smaller chopper like this, they could pretty much land anywhere. Save the guy's life for sure. Good job for these pilots also. And they, great work that they do in keeping people safe. Here we have the parachutes. Our parachuters doing the spin out here as a show, part of the show.